Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get going and installing our WordPress website. We do this by going and go to our installer and our applications installer. In our applications installer, we have a bunch of different applications we can install, but we're going to click on the install WordPress. And then we're going to select our domain. Make sure that it's your domain. You're looking for the WP one that we created, and we're going to get rid of the WordPress directory because we want the path to look good and not have that in. We'll go ahead and put our admin user student, and then I will use RackPass for a password, but you should use the password that was communicated earlier in this semester. You make your email address whatever you want it to be. And then we're going to put the blog title as Inside Out Project. We'll leave the database prefix at WP_, and automatic database creation will stay selected. So at this point we can click Install WordPress. Right now it's installing our WordPress website. It's putting all the files into our server. It's creating a database. And it's going to connect them. And now that it's created, we can take a look at our administration information on our WordPress website. And we can see that all of our information is in there, our database, our username. And now we have a link that we can click and go see our new website. So, of course, we had our directory locked. And now when we go in, we go to the WordPress login screen. And here's where we put those student and the password, and then click login. And this is our dashboard. This is the back end of our WordPress site. It's where we configure and maintain and create things and do things, as you will learn as we continue to go through the videos. There's all kinds of tools and whatever we need to set up our site. And now we'll go look at the front end real quick. And it's a default theme. It's not the prettiest theme, but the idea is that you're creating what you want to create. Let's go back to our dashboard. And our site is installed.